The old man stayed close the whole time, not in my way, not questioning every move, just close enough to see the work. In the trade, we call that a helicopter homeowner. Most techs hate it. I don't really mind. But something about him felt familiar. The house was quiet, too quiet. The kind of quiet that comes after life has already been lived there. I do my normal routine. I open up the panel. He watched my hands, not the tools, my hands. Then he said, "You're careful." That word stuck. I asked him, "You used to do HVAC?" He smiled. A slow smile. 40 years, he said. Back then, there were no control boards, no diagnostic screens, just experience and mistakes. After that, he wasn't hovering anymore. He was remembering. He told me how HVAC fed his family, paid the bills, kept the lights on, how the money was good if you were really willing to work. Nobody told him what to do with it. Money comes fast in this trade, he said, and it disappears faster if you don't respect that one hit. He followed me outside, still close, still watching. And now it felt like mentorship. He talked about overtime, side work, how good it feels to be needed. Then he talked about his body, the knees, the back, the hands that don't grip like they used to. He said, the work slows down before you're ready for it to. He told me he didn't save early, didn't invest early, thought the calls would never stop coming, thought his body would always hold up. HVAC gave him a life, but time collected its payments anyway. I finished the call, system running smooth. He shook my hand, firm. He said, "Don't just work hard. Make the money work harder than you do." I sat in my truck longer than usual. Engine off, windows rolled down, just thinking. Because nobody really teaches this part. They teach you the tools, troubleshooting, how to get out there, how to hustle, but not how to prepare for when the hustle slows down. I started thinking about what he said about options, about control, about learning how money works, not guessing, learning. I told myself I need to read books about investing, watch videos, YouTube videos, Audible books. Learn how the stock market actually works. Not gambling, understanding. Thought about real estate, rental properties, assets at work, even when you're not in the attic or on the roof. I thought about owning my own HVAC business, building something that keeps running. Even when we're not hooking up our gauges, using our multimeter. Systems, processes, people. And I thought about something simple, saving. Just saving. Letting money sit, grow, compound interest. Work quietly in the background. Because the work may not always be there. Here's the truth. HVAC can change your life, but only if you think past the next paycheck. Save early. Invest consistently. Build something that doesn't need your body every single day. So one day, you'll be the older tech standing there, watching someone else work. And that day's come. You don't want regrets. You want options. That old man didn't hover because he didn't trust me. He hovered because he wanted to pass something on. That day, I listened. All right, HVAC people, y'all hit that like and subscribe button if you want more WW HVAC.